Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Escape. Gas engines flex, tow, sip, and go with Ford Escape. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, air conditioning, cruise control, hands-free link system, auto headlight on/off, compass, trip computer, remote keyless entry, outside temperature gauge. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
I'm Mike Murphy, owner of Mike Murphy Ford. I appreciate you visiting our website and hope you find it helpful. We would be glad to answer any of your questions, send you more photos, arrange a test drive, arrange financing. Just let us know how we can help. We get it. Price sells cars.